My husband especially is such a huge baker, so he was so excited when I was sent this springform pan. Whether you're making a cheesecake or a regular cake, you always need a good spring pan. And like I said, I've seen him struggle enough to know how big of a deal these are and how much he loves them and beneficial. I think that this one in particular has a lot of great features, especially the fact that you can just take the spring off and then you already have a base for your cake. So how many times have you ruined a cake or a cheesecake just by trying to change it to a regular plate? And you have this built in, so you can either keep it like this right here on the top, or I think you can even flip it and you can use that also as like a serving tray. I love that it's got the silicone heat resistant handles, so you can move it around as needed, as necessary. This is the 10-inch size and it's leak proof, and it's made of non-stick steel and it's heavy gauge metal so that the heat helps distribute evenly, which if you're baking a cake, you know how important that can be to make sure that it cooks evenly all the way across, as well as it has a non-stick coating on there, which again is so beneficial as you're trying to take your cakes out. You can put it in the fridge, the freezer, the oven, and my favorite thing is that it's dishwasher safe, so you have a really easy cleanup as well. I think that this is such a fun find. It's really unique from a lot of the other spring forms that I have seen. So if you are looking for one, you should for sure check this out.